How do ML model retraining triggers work? Have you ever wondered how machine learning models stay sharp and accurate over time? The answer lies in something called retraining triggers. These are the mechanisms that help decide when a deployed machine learning model needs an update. Let's break this down into simpler terms. Retraining triggers constantly monitor how well a model is performing after it has been deployed. They keep an eye on various signals that might indicate the model is not working as well as it should. For example, if the accuracy of the model drops, or if the data it is processing changes, the system will recognize this and initiate retraining. One key type of retraining trigger is performance degradation. This happens when important performance metrics, like accuracy or precision, fall below a certain level. Imagine a chatbot, like ChatGPT, that starts giving less relevant responses. Monitoring systems detect this drop and trigger retraining to improve its responses. Another important trigger is data drift. This occurs when the input data's statistical properties change over time. For instance, if a generative artificial intelligence model like DALL or Midjourney encounters new styles or subjects not in its training data, it will detect this change and prompt retraining to adapt to these new patterns. Then there is concept drift. This is a bit more complex and happens when the relationship between input data and expected output changes. For example, if user preferences shift, the model's earlier assumptions may no longer apply. In this case, retraining is necessary to align predictions with current user behavior. Some systems also use scheduled retraining. This means they retrain models at fixed time intervals, like daily or weekly, regardless of whether any changes have occurred. While this method is simpler, it may not be as efficient as trigger-based retraining, which responds more dynamically to changes. To implement these retraining triggers, a continuous monitoring system is essential. This system tracks model outputs, input data distributions, and performance metrics in real time. When a trigger condition is met, an automated pipeline can retrain the model using new data. It will then validate the new model against the previous one and deploy it if it performs better. For applications like ChatGPT, DALL, Midjourney, and various productivity plugins, these retraining triggers ensure that the tools remain as accurate and relevant. This process is also vital for maintaining fairness and reliability, preventing outdated or biased behavior from sticking around. In short, machine learning model retraining triggers work by monitoring performance and data changes, automatically initiating retraining to keep artificial intelligence systems effective and trustworthy.